Voltando aqui.
Oops.
Where are you? Are you like right in front of me or something? Yeah, you are.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Hello? Okay.
I can't get anything.
Yeah, we can't. I told you, it's survival. Alright, we're gonna gather wood.
How?
Come here, pig. Oh no! Oh, I died. Don't go into that water, you die. Collect the wood. Click on the wood so it breaks. We gotta survive.
I can't fly.
You can't fly, it's not creative mode, I told you. Survival mode, you can't fly. It's much harder.
Daddy, I think I have to do.
Why?
I don't know
jump.
how to get out.
Hold spacebar and forward. Where should we build our house? Should we just put it here next to the water?
Yeah, mix the water. My thing's good. How do you actually make the house? We're making it with wood. I'm making everything with wood.
So if you're gonna chop wood now, use the
I
axe.
got a shovel.
Yeah, I got shovel's good for digging, but with the if you're gonna chop wood, use the axe. It'll be quicker. Well, it should be quicker. It seems the same.
I was digging.
Oh, digging, you use the pickaxe. Ah, I can kill piggies quicker. Come here. Yeah.
I'm making steps. I made steps for me to come back up.
Ah, okay.
Hopefully actually there.
Piggy.
No! I'm more.
I'm trying to collect some meat so we
I'm
can eat.
getting the pig!
Use the sword.
I am.
Okay.
You used the...
It's much quicker, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you missed. Don't go in the water. Wait for it to come back. Don't go in the water. Hold space here. Yay.
Two hands. And
Really?
like below.
Okay, we're gonna hide here. Do
Daddy.
you have any wood?
You need dirt. No?
No wood. You don't have any wood in your bags?
You need the tree thing.
Yeah, the tree thing.
Yeah?
Press E. And then put your mouse over the wood
Yeah.
and press Q and you'll drop it and you'll give it to me. Q, next to W. Put your...
I don't know.
Okay. Now, we're
I'm
gonna...
gonna guard the door.
No one. Since it's nighttime, we're gonna dig. Let's dig in, like, it's gonna be like Terraria.
Daddy,
Let's dig down.
maybe we need a trap door.
Yeah, I got one.
So it's like a secret passage going outside. So if it was a damage, you open the trap door, go in, and then go outside quickly and go. I can't see.
Oh no, I can't really see either. Oh! Hey, stop hitting me!
Try to dig.
But you're hit.
Ow!
Oh, sorry. I can't see. Hey, am I hitting you?
No, no.
Oh, you're hitting me! Stop!
You in front of my screen.
Hang on. I'm trying to make stairs. Oh!
Ow!
Ah!
Oh. I can't. We need lights. You have lights, I don't have.
Oh wait. That's on. We can't hit each other. Yeah. Okay. You see? Can't hit me anymore.
I'm
Alright.
hitting you.
Let's
like-
go! What was that? Oh!
What's that?
There's a creeper.
I see some creatures.
Oh. Careful, I'm gonna feel this out. Stuff.
Ooh. I got.
I'm cooking some chicken.
How did we get light?
Cause I put wood. If you put wood on the bottom, if you right click on it, you'll see two boxes. On the bottom one, you can put something you can burn like wood, and then you can cook something on top. So I cooked the chicken.
Oh, Daddy.
I can cook more meat.
There's stuff.
Cook lamb.